Hi, this is Maria from Crochet A to Z, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. If you have, I want to thank you. I want to thank everyone for being here. And please don't forget to like the channel because it does get the algorithms out there. So it makes it easier for people to find this channel. I wanted to do a short tutorial on the front post and back post double crochet, so that if you find a pattern that has a front post and a back post double crochet, which I just did a pattern stitch for that today, I want you to be able to be comfortable undoing it. So what I did was I did a swatch of 11, and these are all double crochets. And I'm going to show you easily how to make a front post and a back post double crochet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just chain one and turn my work. In this first stitch, I'm going to just put a half double crochet. And I'm going to just pull out a little bit so you can see it a little easier. So in this stitch here, I'm going to pull this apart of the double crochet. We're going to do a front post double crochet. So when we say front post, we're going to go to the front of the work. We're going to put the crochet hook like this. We're going to yarn over because we're going to grab this and we're going to just bring it through. We're going to yarn over, and what's going to happen is we're going to take this and go through two. We're going to yarn over another time, and we're going to take this and go through two. That is a front post double crochet. Now what we're going to do is yarn over, and we're going to do another front post double crochet. Again, we yarned over, we're going to go in the front part of this. Even though it says, oh, well, look, the crochet hook's going in the back, but we're entering this stitch from the front. So we're going to go in here, we're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull that through. We're going to yarn over, we're going to take this and go through these two only. We're going to yarn over, we're going to go through these two. And that's our front post double crochet. And you will see that it pulls the stitch out towards you. Now we're going to do a back post double crochet. And this is what I mean. So let's pull this apart. We're going to yarn over. And instead of going in here, we're going to yarn over and we're going to go in from the back. And we're going to go around and we're going to pull this up. And make sure that you pull it enough so that they're like lined up. They're about the same size length. And we're going to yarn over. We're going to take this and go through two. We're going to yarn over, take this and go through two. And that's a back post. Now we're going to yarn over. We're going to go in the back. We're going to pull this through. We're going to go right up and yarn over. We're going to take this and go through these two. We're going to yarn over. We're going to take this and go through these two. And that is your front post and your back post double crochet. If you look at this, you can see that the front posts have been pushed out. The back posts take a back seat to the stitch. So let's do two more front posts. We're going to yarn over, and I'm going to pull this apart so you can see that's the double crochet. We're going to go in from the front. We're going to go in here. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull that through the back. We're going to pull up those loops so that they kind of are the same size. We're going to yarn over here. We're going to take this and we're going to go through these two. We're going to yarn over. We're going to take this and go through these two. We're going to do another one. We're going to go right in here. See, pull it apart. We yarned over. We're going to go in here. We're going to yarn over. We're going to pull this through the back. Yarn over. We're going to take this and go through these two. we're going to yarn over, take this and go through these 2. And that is your front post. Now let's do 2 back post double crochets. So we're going to yarn over. We're going to go in again through the back because this is a back post. We're going to go around that. We're going to bring that yarn through and pull up a loop. And I yarned over, and I'm going to get this and go through these 2. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to get this one and go through these 2. Let's do another back post. We're going to go back here. From the back, we're going to pull this through the front, and we're going to yarn over, and here's our 3 loops, but we're only going to go through 2 of these, and there's 2 more. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to go through those 2, and if you look, that's your back post double crochet. So as I said, you can see them popping forward, and I'm going to show you, and I did this tutorial on this particular stitch today. These are your backs because they're the back post double crochets. They're in the back of this pattern. The front posts are taking center stage. They're pulled out. You can feel them. If you look at that, that's your back post. There's your back post. Back, back, back. There's your front post. There's your front post. There's your front post. Right there. Back post, front, back, front. So that's how you do a front post and a back post double crochet. I wanted to show you in this video how it's done. And what I'm going to do is finish this off with a front post double crochet, and I'm going to do a half double crochet in this last stitch, and I'm going to show you, see, look, see a back post in the back. I also want to mention that the front and the back, they're the same, so you don't have to say, oh, there's a front and there's a back to this pattern. There is not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to turn my work. I'm just going to put a half double crochet right here. And now in this first stitch, I'm going to put a front post double crochet. Now in this stitch, because I had 2, I'm going to put a back post double crochet. So I want to show you. I yarned over. Sorry, I want to be able to put it, and I went through the back, and I'm going to put 2, and let me show you again, going in through the back, and I'm going to pull this yarn right through and up. I yarned over, and I'm going to pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. I'm going to make another back post double crochet, yarn over, go in through the back, and I'm going to pull this loop up. So let me show you again. Yarn over, because I like to go slow, pulling in here, and we're going to pull this up. Yarn over, there's my 2, I'm going to go through that, yarn over, there's my 2, I'm going to go through those 2. Now that I did that, I'm going to do 2 front post double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to go from the front, yarn over. I'm going to pull out so you can see it again. I yarned over. I'm going to go from the front, and I'm going to do my front post double crochet. Again, yarn over, I'm going to go from the front. Again, you yarn over, go from the front, pull this through, pull that up, pull through 2, pull through 2 once I yarn over. Now I'm going to do a back post double crochet. So I yarned over, I'm going to go in from the back, and I'm going to pull this through and pull it up. Again, I yarned over, I'm going to do another back post double crochet. I want to show you. I yarn over, I'm going in through the back and around. Again, I'm going to pull that out, yarn over, I'm going in through the back, I'm coming up, I'm pulling this right through, and I'm yarning over. I'm going to take this and go through 2. I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to go through 2. And you can see there's the front post, there's the back post, there's a back post, and I'll do 2 more front post double crochets. Again, I yarned over. I'm going from the front to pull this through. Again, I'm doing a front, I'm going from the front and I'm pulling this through, and I'm going to show you again. Yarning over, I'm going through the front of this yarn. So can you see that? Yarn over, pull through, yarn over. You've got 3. You're going to go through this, and you're going to go through 2 of them. You're going to yarn over, you're going to go through 2 more. And there, it's done. Here's your back post, and you can feel it. Here's your back post, and here's your front post. You can feel the indentation of your back post double crochet, and your front post, you can feel they pop out. Just like this. If you look at this, you can see these are your front posts. This is your back post. The same right across. And in this one, you can see this is my front post. These are my back. Front, back, front, back. So this is Maria from Crochet A to Z. I hope you liked this tutorial of the front post and back post double crochet and how to do them. I go slow so that you can learn these stitches. Whether you're a beginner to advanced, this is for everyone. So thank you. Have a great day. Have a great Saturday, and stay safe. Stay hydrated if it's hot and humid wherever you are. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye, and love you all.